Hey there, friends. Welcome back to EngLingua, the podcast where we make English learning fun, simple, and super real life.
So, quick question, Liam. Have you ever met someone and immediately forgot their name?
Oh, absolutely. It happens to everyone, even me. Don't worry, you're not alone.
Today's episode is all about what to say when you forget someone's name. We'll learn natural phrases, practice real dialogues, and even play a little quiz at the end.
Sound good? Let's jump in. Okay, imagine this. You're at a party, someone comes up smiling, and you have no idea what their name is. Uh-oh. What do you do, Liam?
I panic. Just kidding. But it can be really awkward. Let's learn some easy, polite ways to handle it.
Here are some natural English phrases you can use. The first one is simple and direct. Sorry, I forgot your name. Can you remind me?
Another great one is a little more casual. You can say, I'm so bad with names. What was yours again?
I use that one all the time. And if you want to be extra polite, try this. Hey, I know we've met before. Could you tell me your name one more time?
And one more for your list. Can you help me out? I blanked on your name.
Okay, listeners, it's your turn. Repeat after us. We'll say them slowly and you repeat out loud. Sorry, I forgot your name. Can you remind me?
I'm so bad with names. What was yours again?
Could you tell me your name one more time?
I blanked on your name.
Great job. Now let's hear these in real conversations. Here's our first scene, at a party. Hey, it's good to see you again.
Yeah, you too. Sorry, I forgot your name. Can you remind me?
Of course, I'm Emily.
Ah, Emily. Got it this time. Thanks.
Now for our second scene, at the office.
Hi, we met in the meeting yesterday, right?
Yes, we did.
I'm so sorry. I'm terrible with names. What was yours again?
I'm Daniel.
Daniel, right. Thanks for reminding me.
Okay, last one. Scene 3, in a classroom. Hi, are you new here?
Yeah, I just joined last week.
Oh, nice. I'm sorry, I forgot your name already.
I'm Sarah.
Sarah, welcome. I'll remember this time.
Now for a quick cultural tip. In some cultures, forgetting a name can feel rude, but in English-speaking countries, Liam, what do you think?
People are usually very understanding. It's actually better to ask again politely than to avoid using their name at all.
Exactly. And here's a trick. If you use their name right after they remind you, you'll remember it more easily. For example, nice to meet you, Emily.
Okay, quiz time. I'll describe a situation. You choose the best phrase. Ready, Sophie?
I'm ready.
Situation 1. You see a classmate, but you forgot their name. Do you say, A, hey, I forgot your name. Can you remind me? B, what's your name again? Or C, just smile and say nothing?
The answer is A or B. Both are polite, but don't stay silent.
Correct. Now, situation 2. You meet someone at work. You forgot their name. Which is better? A, sorry, I'm terrible with names. What was yours again? B, hey you, what's up?
Definitely A. It's always better to be honest than to use hey you.
Nice job, everyone.
All right, let's review. Today we practice how to say, sorry, I forgot your name. Can you remind me?
I'm so bad with names. What was yours again? And more. Now, here's your challenge. I'll say the situation, and you say a good phrase out loud. Ready? Situation. At a party, you forgot someone's name. Situation. At work, you forgot a colleague's name. Situation. In class, you forgot a new student's name. And that's it for today's episode of Engla Vibes. So, Sophie, be honest, how many times have you forgotten someone's name?
More times than I can count. Drop your story in the comments. We'd love to hear it.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's learning English too. Thanks for listening, and remember, mistakes are just part of learning.
See you next time, friends, and I promise I'll remember your name.
Bye.